Okay, so for next we've got the laying hamstring curl. Assuming for this one, like we're gonna go over the setup, this honestly confuses a lot of people. So the first thing we're gonna look at is this pad, and then we're gonna look at this. So for this one, this is the pad that's gonna sit on the back of your Achilles. It needs to sit here. It needs to sit on the back of your Achilles. This one, this is based on the amount of range of movement you have with your knee and your hips. So for example, if I'm here and it's pushing my legs up at the moment, even without even trying to lift it, chances are it's too close. Likewise, if I can't reach it, it's too far away. So I'm gonna assume you're probably on like a 0 or a 1. That's 9 out of 10 the case. We'll move the pad to a 5. This is me. So you could always use me as a guide and reference if you need to. So I am currently at a 0 and a 5. So when I come on, if I change the weight to something, it means when I relax, like it's not hurting my quads too much, it's not pushing my hips out of place, it's not hurting my knees, and it's comfortable. On this segment, it's comfortable here, but most importantly on the pad, it's sat on the back of my Achilles, okay? So that is this here, okay? Just above the lip of your shoe. From here, bring yourself down, come up and curl. All the way down and curl. There's a couple of rules I need you to do. One, drive your hips into the pad as hard as it will go when you curl up. This is to prevent this happening. We don't want your hips coming up. That's not what we want. Drive your hips into the pad. The second little rule, keep your head down. If I look up, I'll hyperextend my neck. Just keep it down and just drop it. Keep my hips into the pad. If you want a bit of an extra stretch, what you can do is you can turn your heels together. I get a lot of clients maybe say that it hurts their knees a little bit. This may help this solution. So turn your heels together, it'll lengthen out your hamstring. Heels together, exactly the same. Down, squeeze and come up. If at any point the weight is just chucking around, it's probably too light, okay? There's no control over it, change it up. Have a go.